Welcome to this professional tutorial on creating stunning slice transition effects using CapCut PC. In this guide, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to achieve seamless and polished transitions that elevate your video production quality. Whether you're working on a creative project or a professional edit, this technique will make your transitions truly stand out. Let's dive in. Step 1. Port your media files. Begin by importing your video clips into the media section. Drag the selected videos onto the timeline. You can source high-quality footage from Pexels or utilize CapCut PC's integrated library. Step 2. Apply a horizontal mask to the first video. Select the first video layer and apply a horizontal mask. Adjust the rotation angle to 90 by using the rotation handle or directly setting the rotation value to 90 in the Properties panel. Step 3. Add the second video to the timeline. Import the second video clip and place it on the main video track within the timeline. Step 4. Apply a horizontal mask to the second video. For the second video layer, apply a horizontal mask. Rotate the mask to 90 using the same method as in Step 2. Step 5. Introduce motion effects with keyframes top video layer. Set keyframes on the top video layer as follows. Keyframe 1 at the 1 second mark, Keyframe 2 at the 2 second mark, Keyframe 3 at the 3 second mark. Modify the position values for each keyframe. Keyframe 1, X equals 2200, Y equals 500. Keyframe 2, X equals 0, Y equals -10. Keyframe 3, X equals 0, Y equals 0. Step 6. Introduce motion effects with keyframes video layer. Add keyframes to the main video layer to synchronize with the top layer. Keyframe 1 at the 1 second mark, Keyframe 2 at the 2 second mark, Keyframe 3 at the 3 second mark. Adjust the position values for each keyframe. Keyframe 1, X equals -2200, Y equals 500. Keyframe 2, X equals 0, Y equals 10. Keyframe 3, X equals 0, Y equals 0. Step 7. Add a background video and enhance with blur effects. Position the two video layers featuring the slice transition above a background video layer. Navigate to the Effects tab and apply a blur effect to the background layer for a polished finish. Step 8. Finalize with background music and export. Select an appropriate soundtrack to complement your video and add it as background music. Once satisfied, export your project to complete the process. Congratulations! You've successfully mastered the slice transition effect in CapCut PC. By combining professional masking techniques, motion effects, and creative enhancements, your videos now have a dynamic and professional edge. Don't forget to explore more of CapCut PC's features to further refine your editing skills. If you found this tutorial helpful, like and share it with others. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.